Did you know you can make Chick-fil-A sauce? Yes, you can. So I've got mayonnaise. I'm making a double batch here. I warmed my honey so it would come out quicker so we're not sitting here all day. Got my honey.
You've got me. You've got me.
I've got you. And mustard. Which I'm almost out of. Okay, and vinegar. And garlic. Mike likes garlic, so I'll put extra. Salt. So I'm just doing seasoned salt because it just makes everything taste better. And ketchup. So if you guys are wondering, I'm watching the numbers go up on the side there. That's how I know how much I'm putting in. And then we just stir. Oh man, I should have gone to the store and got some and done a taste test.
Yeah.
We need to start doing taste tests, dear. I've only eaten at Chick-fil-A one time. Frankly, I wasn't impressed, but I did like their Chick-fil-A sauce. That's pretty good. I can see why people like the sauce. It is very delicious indeed. All right, homemade Chick-fil-A sauce right there. Just put it in a squeeze bottle.